Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we are gonna fix a problem which is a system error. It is D3D compiler slash 4017. I am Windows 7 user. I tried to run Photoshop in my Windows, then this message came up to me. It says the program can be start because D3D compiler slash 47 deal is missing from your computer. Try reinstall the program to fix this problem. So let's go and find a solution to this problem. So first of all you need to close it and then go to your computer system and then program files, then Adobe, then Adobe Photoshop, and then required files, and then plugins and spaces, and you will find D3D compiler slash 47 here. You need to copy it from here and go back program files, Adobe Photoshop, and you need to paste it here. I think it will solve your problem. So let's go and try to run Photoshop. So it's successfully running. If you like my video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates.